hope you guys are doing extremely fine. For people who are new here, hi, my name is Manisha. So you all have already read by the title what the video is going to be, my weekly facial week. So let's get into the video. So I've recently came across this Lakme facial kit. So this is the packaging they've sent me. So I will open this. I have already done the unboxing before, and they have even sent me a Lakme thank you card. So, and they have sent me some samples of lotion vagera and all this stuff so that I can use and tell them. So here's the packaging. I have opened it morning because my mom was like, open and see if there's any damage. I can send the request of taking it back. And here are some bill. I don't know. Yeah, it is the bill. Okay. So this video, as I have already said, my weekly facial kit. So I am using this Lakme facial kit from past 5 months, and I have found this best one. I never knew that there's something facial kit also known, because we usually girls have to go to salon like every month, but we are taking precautions and staying home and avoiding going to salon, but we also want glowing skin, so we can do it at home. Like, you just have to order it. So I'm gonna show you all my weekly facial kit. So let's get into the video. So here is the Lakme weekly thing. There are 5 steps, if you all can see. Step 1, step 2, everything. So I'll be using this just for this video. I've been using this facial kit from past 5 months, and I never knew about this product. One of my friends recommended me, and I got my hands on this product, and I think you should also do. This is amazing. Like, it actually gives you the facial salon wala glow. So go and check it out. The link is in the description box. I have got this product from the official website of Lakme Absolute. You all can get it on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart as well. So get your hands on this one, and you don't have to worry about going to salon and everything. Stay home, guys, and don't go to salon. Me myself, I am also avoiding going to salon. So let's try these. Okay, so I'm gonna try like step wise for this video. So guys, check it out this on the official website of Lakme Absolute, or else you can go and check it out on Nykaa as well and Amazon also. I don't know if Amazon have this, but you can go and check out. The products are really amazing, and you can share if you all buy this, and if you want to share your experience with me in the comment section, you can go ahead. I'll be trying each and every step. It's gonna take long, but I'll try to manage. So we, like, after each and every scrub, after each and every facial thing, we have to keep it for 15 minutes and then wash your face. Before I start this thing, I have to take my makeup off. Okay, so step 1 is to wash my face properly, so I'll do that now. This is the step 1. I have washed my face properly. Now it's step 2. This is the step 2. And step 2 is skin lightening scrub. So take a little bit of quantity in your hand and scrub it all over your face. And the scrub is really, it has some, I don't know what do we call it, but it's weird. I'm doing it on camera. Just keep rubbing so that your skin absorbs. I'll take a little bit of water. You know, see, I've got bad under eyes because my sleeping schedule is ruined. I wake up so late, I sleep so late. Keep rubbing it. keep rubbing it for 15 minutes. Okay, we are done. Can you all see the glow? Okay, so step 2, okay, wait. Step 2 is done. Rubbing the scrub all over your face is also done. Now step 3 is a gel cream. Okay. So step 3 is basically you take a little bit of quantity on your hand and just apply it all over your face. This is a gel and I'm taking little and applying it all over my face, and I'm gonna keep this for max 15 minutes so that the skin actually absorbs. It is transparent, and just keep doing massage on your face for at least 15 minutes. And this is the step 4. Step 4 is Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Mask. So you have to take little bit on your face, on your hand, and just apply it as a mask on your face and keep it for max 15 minutes, and then you can rinse off. Then you can take it. So I will take little first and then I'll see how much I need for my face. So this is the quantity I've taken and I will apply it all over my face. I will take little more because I think the quantity is become very less. 15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, let's hear songs. Let's listen songs. That could be your only one thing. My Spotify has no paid promotion. That's why I have to hear these ads. Keep this for 15 minutes.
Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically,
It's 2:12. By 2:16, I will wash my face. Alright? That makes sense because 2:16 पे 15 minutes complete होता है. Yeah, okay. Let's hear Past Life. I've been listening to this song from last night. I don't know why. This is too white, you know. Just look at my neck and my hand.
Last night was the last night of my past life. Coming here like you could never figure me out. Last night was the last night, was the last night. I'll never let you figure me out. Sitting here talking to myself.
Wash our face. I'll wash my face and come back, and then I can actually feel so good. Last step. This is a step 5. Step 5 is Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Light Cream. Wow. Focus. It's okay. Now a Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Light Cream I will apply. So this is basically your cream, and this is a step 5. Okay, I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया है. How shall I put it back? In this much of quantity, that is also बहुत हो गया. And now gently, This smells so good. Okay. Wait, I'll just make my sleeves down. This is amazing. Wow. So with this, we are done with the step 5. But you have to just keep, doing like this so that it actually, skin absorbs this. With this, I'd like to end my video here. If you like it, do give a thumbs up to my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. And this was it. Go and check it out. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to buy. There are some amazing offers going on the official website of Lakme, and you have to check out, guys. So bye, and thank you guys for watching this video.